Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing an absolutely huge Temu haul, so let's get into it. Okay, so I want to thank Temu for being a sponsor of today's video. I've got loads of amazing products to show you, from equestrian items to fashion items to home items. We've got so much to show you today. Okay, so today's collaboration special discount with Temu for new users, you can use the code on screen or in the description to get a £100 bundle discount. You guys don't want to miss out on this offer. It is insane. Loads of the items I've included in this video are included in this discount, so go and check it out. Everything is going to be linked down below, all the prices and information and all the links. Just check the description box. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Honestly, this is an insane deal and there's so many cool equestrian items on Temu that, you know, are great if you want to save a bit of money, if you want a good bargain, and if you just like really cute homeware stuff as well. There's so many cute bits on Temu. I found so many really nice bits, even for the dogs as well. They absolutely love it. So let's get into the haul. Okay, I'm going to go through all the horsey stuff first because I've got absolutely loads. I'll do a kind of like an in-depth haul. I have done a really quick one on my TikTok. I thought I would include more stuff here and kind of review everything properly. Okay, first up, we have got this like little massager scrubber brush. I thought this would be really good when I'm giving Bobs a bath and I need something a little more heavy duty to like really get into all that grime and dirt. Yeah, first up, we've got like a massager scrubber brush. Bobs is absolutely going to love that, I just know it. Next up is a staple in my grooming bag, and it is these magic brushes. They are so good and they're really good for getting quite dry dirt off of your pony or horse as well. I swear by these, and they're so cheap. They're just nice to have because I end up always losing these. I don't know about you, but I swear my brushes always go missing. So it's really handy to have a couple of these in the grooming bag or in the car just to grab if you need them. And also they come in all different colours as well. I'm not sure if it's like random colours, but I got pink and red. Okay, now I'm actually planning on hopefully doing like a little tack room renovation in my house. I've got like a small cupboard under the stairs that's just full of junk. My mum probably wouldn't consider it junk, but I do. And I want to try and make a little tack room, maybe put my saddle pads in there, my hat silks, hang my Equestrian up my boots. So I'm kind of persuading my mum to let me do that. So if you see this video, mum, then please let me do it. But I bought a few bits that I thought would be really cool in the little tack room if I can do it. So I'll show you those. First up, I've got a little horse head. Now this actually goes on the back of the door and I thought I could hang my Equestrian off this. It's so cute and it's just a little horse head, like a little like coat hanger. Next up, I have got a bridle hook. Now I actually do take Bobby's tack home quite a lot if I'm riding early in the morning. In the winter I did this quite a lot, so I thought I would get one of these because I can actually put this in the wall, and if I do bring his tack home I can hang his bridle up without just like leaving it hanging on the floor. And then I also got a whip holder. This is really good actually, and I feel like my riding school needs to get one of these because somewhere else where I rode they actually had one, and the whips just kind of pop inside of it and then you can pull them out as well, and I think it's really handy. And I have loads of whips, so I thought if I can make my little tack room, then I can use that on the wall in there. Next up is this little kit, and this is like a plaiting band kit with a comb, and they had bands in all different colours, but I just picked like the pastel ones because I thought it was cute. And honestly, it's so hard to keep my plaiting bands like not all over the place because this actually comes in a little pot. Normally they come in a bag, you rip the label off and then the plaiting bands are like open in the bag, but this keeps everything secure and safe in the little box. Okay, next up I got one of these little snaffle bit belts. I've actually got this in lilac as well, but honestly these belts were like I think less than like £5, and some brands sell these for like 20, so absolute bargain there. And here's the lilac one, which is super similar as well. I actually got some horsey stickers for my merch, so I can stick these on the parcels. I feel like they're so cute and they've got loads of different horses on there. They're so cute. I absolutely love that. I got a hoof pick because I don't know if you're like me, but I'm constantly losing hoof picks. I probably buy one every time I go to the tack shop and I always lose them. I know it's literally April, but I bought Bobby a Christmas ear bonnet and it might be a bit big, but it still looks cute. I got some super cute little horsey socks in black and white. I love an ankle sock, so I feel like these are going to look so cute. Next up, I got a little storage holder. I'll insert a picture on the screen what it looks like, but this I feel like could be good to hang like random stuff up, like horsey bits, so that's really handy. You probably can't see very well, but I got a boot bag. My boots are always so dirty, and I actually bought boots, like a boot bag off Temu before, and it was really good, but this one's a little bit more heavy duty, so it'll be perfect for my boots in the winter, or even putting your wellies in, to be honest. Okay, that's all the horsey stuff. So now let's get on to the other stuff. I've got loads of stuff here, so let's dive right into it. First of all, I've got a mobile phone holder. Hopefully this will hold my phone in my car. I've never had a phone holder. And me and my sister are actually going to Windsor next week. So we thought this would be good for getting like little vlogs in the car, and she can do like little get ready with me's and stuff like that. I got a pack of these hangers. They actually could be used for hat silks or like ear bonnets, but they come in I think a box of 20. I have got some stuff for the dogs as well, and I found this dog toy, and it's actually a Whatsits crinkly dog toy, and I've kept this away from Rolo and Chewy now for a while, and honestly I don't know how they haven't found it yet, but they're going to absolutely love this.
Incoming. Can you get rid of those slippers in the background? Let's keep it down.
Oh. What's that, Rolo? What's that? What's that? Oh god! I've got one of those like glass like tumbler cups. I've always wanted one of these, so I'm super excited to have one finally. I've got a pack of these face cloths. I always see these on TikTok and I've always wanted to try them, so I'm super excited. I think they're like disposable like cotton tissues for your skin. Pretty boring, but cotton pads because I'm always running out. I got this super cute little skincare makeup bag. I'm going to bring this on holiday with me, but I thought it looked so cute, and I love like the decal letters on the front of it. If you know me, you know I'm always in a pair of leggings, and I just picked up a pair of these black flared leggings. These are super cute and they feel really soft as well. I'm hoping they're not going to be too long for me, but otherwise I do really like them. And then I got Chewy a little harness. He was outgrowing his other one, which I actually bought from Temu ages ago. So I bought him a new one. This is like a cream and brown like corduroy one, and it's so cute, and it also comes with a little lead as well. I've got a little holder which is going to hold all my business cards for my merch. I got a couple of claw clips. So I've got a pink one. I've got this one with hearts on it, which is also pink. I got a sausage dog one, which is so cute. And I actually got a little Mickey Mouse one as well. I got one of those sticky things for your phone. Everyone's got one of these. I thought I'd try it. I have no idea if this is going to work, but I hope it does. I absolutely love ramen. Literally, boiled egg noodles are my favourite. So I've got this ramen bowl, and it comes with chopsticks as well. Oh my god, I'm actually in love with it. I've got a little Minnie Mouse scrunchie. Found another claw clip. I need to put it together, but I've got a little key ring. I think this is supposed to be like a little horse or a dog, and it's pink, so I thought it was pretty cute. This actually came through as a free gift, but it's a little sunset light. I actually got a couple of free gifts, so I'll show you them. I got this little neck fan, also free gift. And this little makeup bag, which I think I'm going to give to my mum. This is going to be actually quite hard to show you, but it's like a dog dressing gown. I'll insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like, but it kind of wraps around your dog. This. Hopefully it will fit one of the boys, but I know they'll love this for after their bath. Hello. Do you like your dressing gown? Do you like your dressing gown?
Oh.
Choo-choo. Hello.
Oh,
do you like it?
Hang on.
Do you like it? Do you like it, Choo-choo? Oh, no night then. And then for Rolo and Chewy, I got them this little blanket. It is so flipping cute. And yes, it has got Dachshunds all over it. So yeah, that was everything that I got in today's haul. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm actually going to be doing a review video on a few of the products. Let me know what items you want to see in my review video, and I'll see you soon.